morning students. This is session 17 for grade 8 mathematics. In the previous session we have dealt with exercise 2.2, 8, 9 and 10 sum. 10 sum I have given you a hint and I told you to solve the problem. Hope you have completed it. Now let us move on to 11 sum. Please take your book, page number 28. Whenever I am reading the question, keep the pencil and follow up. Okay? Now 11th question. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So this is the question. There are three categories in the question: son, father, grandfather. These are the three categories given in the question. Okay. Now let us take father. Father will be younger than grandfather. Am I right? Father's age will be always younger than grandfather. Yes or no? In terms of father I am saying. When I want to say in terms of grandfather, how I will say? Grandfather is older than father. Yes? When in terms of son, I have to compare the age of father. What I will say? Son is younger than father. In terms of father, when I have to say the son, how I will say? Father is older than son. Why I am stating this is only with the help of these things you can bring out the statement here. Okay. Now listen carefully the first sentence. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Can you understand now? Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Now they have given in terms of father, but you have to find the age of grandfather. Father's age and grandfather's age, if you compare, grandfather will be more age. Yes or no? If for example, father's age is like 25 years, grandfather, if he is 20 years older than father, then his age will be 45 years. So plus, yes. So we don't know what is the age of father. Let it be x, and we have to find out the age of grandfather. So x plus 26. Can you understand? In the question they have given father is 26 years younger than grandfather, but in terms of grandfather I have to write. So I have written x plus 26 because father's age and grandfather's age, if you compare, grandfather will be always more age than father. So I have written plus here. Okay. Now when I have to compare father and son, what will be the comparison here? Obviously son will be younger than father. Yes or no? But in the question they have given 29 years older than the son. Baichung's father is 29 years older than the son. When I have to write in terms of son, what I will do? 29 minus x minus 29 because he is 29 years younger than his father. So I am writing minus. Can you understand? This is the cycle. In practical life you can think yourself, your father and your grandfather. Compare the ages of 3. Son will be like 5, father will be 25 and grandfather will be 45 or so on. Can you understand? So this is the exact statement of our question. Now see the next one. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the ages of each one of them? If you are going to sum all these three, they have given it is 135. So x minus 29, sum means addition, plus x plus x plus 26, which is equal to 135. Can you understand? This is given in the question. Now how many x is there? Variable is there. Variable, only one variable x. How many x is there? 1, 2, 3. What is the sign before them? Everything is positive. So let us add. So 3x. And what is the number given here? Minus 29. And what is the next number given here? Plus 26. If I am having a negative number and a positive number, I have to subtract and write the greater number sign. What is the greater number here? It is 29. What is the sign of 29? It is subtraction, minus. So I have written minus. Now subtract both the numbers. 29 minus 26 is 3. So minus 29 plus 26 is equal to minus 3. Let us write this here, which is equal to 135. Now take this minus 3 that side. 135 plus 3. Minus 3 when it is in left hand side. When it goes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. 3x is equal to 135 plus 3 is 138. Yes. Now 3x is equal to 138. 3 and x are in multiplication. When 3 goes that side, it becomes division. To the right hand side, it becomes division. So x is equal to 138 divided by 3. Now 3 1 is 3 and 4 3s are 12. 1 is remainder. Here the total number you have to read this is 18. So 6 3s are 18. Therefore my x value is 46. My x value is 46. Now that we have arrived only with the x value, we have found only the age of father. Now we have to find the age of son as well as grandfather. Now what you will do? Substitute. X is equal to 46. This is the age of father. Now we are going to find the age of son. X minus 29, which means 46 minus 29, which is equal to 17. Son's age is 17. Next, grandfather's age. X plus 26, which means 46 plus 26, which is equal to 72. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 remainder, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. 72. Now, again I will tell the whole question and answer. Listen properly. 3 categories is given in the question. Baichan's son, Baichan's father, Baichan's grandfather. Okay? Son, father and grandfather. Just remember like that. Grandfather is not mentioned. Age of father is not mentioned in the question. They have given 2 hints for the age of son and age of grandfather. But that 2 hints is based only on the age of father. Okay? So what is the first hint? Baichan's father is 26 years younger than Baichan's grandfather. So 26 years younger than Baichan's grandfather. When I have to say the age of grandfather, I have to add the 26. Can you understand? So it is x plus 26. Here they have given older than his son. This father is older than his son by 29 years. When I have to say in terms of son, I have to say x minus 29. So when I add these 3, which is equal to 135 is given in the question. When I solve the sum, I will get x is equal to 46. That is the age of father. With this help of the age of father, we are going to find the age of son and age of grandfather. What is the age of son? X minus 29. What is x here? 46 minus 29, which is equal to 17. So Baichan's age is 17. His father's age is 46. And 46 plus 26, grandfather's age is 72. Can you understand? Shall we move on to the next sum? Okay. Listen the question carefully. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So 15 years from now, we don't know what is Ravi's age. 15 years from now, his age will be 4 times his present age. Let his present age be x. 15 years from now, that is x plus 15, his age will be, which is equal to, will be means which is equal to 4x, because 4 times his present age, that is given in the question. Okay, we doesn't know what is his present age, that is the thing what we have to find actually. So let his present age be x, and see the question, 15 years from now. So x plus 15, present age means it is now, right? So x plus 15 from now will be 4 times his present age, will be, which is equal to 4 times his present age. Okay, now this you are going to solve. X is here and which is equal to 4x is here. Let us take the variable. Always I will tell you to take the numerical first. Yes, because this side we will have the numerical. So I will tell you to take the numerical, but numbers. But now here I am having a variable 4x, variable and a coefficient 4. Can you understand? Now let us take this x that side. So 15, let it remain here. Let us take the x that side. 4x minus x. Because here it is plus 6. So when you take to the right hand side, it becomes 4x minus x. Now 15 as it is. If the variables are same, what did I tell you? You can either subtract or add the coefficients. Here the variables are same. So I can, what is the symbol given here? Subtraction. So I can subtract the coefficient. What is the coefficient of this variable? 4. What is the coefficient of this variable? Minus 1, which is equal to 3. So here it is 3x. Can you understand? Now 15 is equal to 3x is there, no? Just reverse and write it. 3x is equal to 15. Just I have changed the RHS and LHS. There is no nothing different in this. This two steps. This remains same only. For your practice, I am writing like this. Now this is our normal format. I have to keep the variable here and I have to take the number that side. What is the operation between 3 and x? It is multiplication. So when I take the 3 that side, it becomes division. 15 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 5 3s are 15. So x is equal to 5. In this question, whether this is the final answer, because up to now whatever we have solved, we will get an answer for x, but we will go on substitute in the starting of the sum. But see here, what is starting given here? Let his present age be x. So this is the thing what we have to find, and exactly x is the answer. So here we have got x is equal to 5. So the present age of him is 5 years. Can you understand? Here we don't have any x plus 5 or his father's age or before 4 years, like that we don't have. This is just his present age. So this is the final answer and we have arrived at our answer, x is equal to 5. Can you understand? Till now we have completed like 12 sums in exercise 2.2. Please revise again and again, because this is somewhat new concept to you. If you revise again only, you can be clear with the concept. Can you understand? Thank you.